Hey folks, well, welcome. Thanks for shopping Sawnee Mountain Motors online. Have a really hard to find unit today. A good mile 13 Lexus RX. It's only got 110,000 miles on it. New car dealer trade. Been well taken care of its whole life, as you'll see as I walk around it. As always, we put our cars through the shop. We fully service everything inside and out. Make sure all the brakes are good, tires are good, no leaks, rattles, vibrations, bangs. This car is nice. We've already driven it. There's no issues. So we'll just do all the fluids and the filters, service everything that needs service, make sure everything's 100% up to date and you're not going to have any issues. Only a couple little things to take care of on this car. It just came out of the detail shop and you can see it is really nice. Everything is in good shape. Couple little things. This chrome belt molding on the window has a little bend in it right there, so we'll get a new one of those. We will color the seat right here where it's just a little bit faded just from the age, and it's got a little scuff on the center console right there, which we'll take care of. My interior guy will make that like brand new. But look how nice this car is. Carpet's nice, dash is nice, no cracked up dashes, navigation, everything is good. It's got one key, one remote, steering wheel's nice, 110,335 miles. Memory seating, she's got a sunroof, dual power seats. Fold down rear seats. You like an older Lexus RX? I think you found your car. We'll make sure everything's serviced up and ready for you. This thing will be out of the shop in the next couple days. We sell extended warranties so you can have trouble-free, worry-free driving. And of course, we have good financing for good credit, mediocre financing for mediocre credit. And if you have bad credit, we do have banks available to get you financed. Appreciate you guys shopping. Thanks again. You can get me on my cell anytime, Mike Stout. 404-867-5028. Thanks so much and have a great day.